Hi guys. So today I want to review a question that a friend of mine asked me. The question was, if you're starting to use Google Sheet and you're used to using Excel, then you're probably very familiar with the paintbrush, which is very popular. You have cells and you want to simply format it the same way. Let's say you have a chart that you use often. So I'm going to show you where this is located in Google Sheets. It's also very simple, but they made it a bit more modern maybe. It's a roller brush instead of a paintbrush, so it's placed right here at the top, similar to where it's also placed located in Excel. And how you would use it. Let's say I have this format that I worked a lot on and made a very nice date format, currency format, uh, titles and totals, and I want to use it and create a new set of chart that I want to use. So all I need to do is mark the area of the format that I want to take, press on the paint format, and then go to the top cell where I want the formatting to begin. And voila, I have it very easily, everything the same. And yeah, so some people might miss this because the image is a bit different from Excel, but you can see it's located right here. As I said, a bit more modern. So feel free to reach out if there's any more questions like this, especially if you're transitioning to using Google Sheets from Excel. I think you could get the hang of it very easily. With that, there are small differences which I could definitely help you in identifying and catching on to using Google Sheet very quickly. Thank you for watching.